This is formatting data labels in Excel. Before you can format a data label, you have to add the data labels. In the XY graph, go to one of the observations, right-click, and in the menu that comes up, there is Add Data Labels. If you click on that, it automatically and by default puts up the Y value for each one of those observations. To format the data labels now, you have to click on them so it's selected, any one of them, then right-click on that spot, and we get to Format Data Labels. From here, we can put in value from cells, series names, the X value, and a legend key. This value from cells is fairly useful. If you click that, you get a dialog box, and I'm going to add these observations, these names that I just put in here. They don't mean anything, they're just so that I have something to click on. And when I do that, you can see that the ID and the Y value shows up. I can take off either one of those. Have to click on one of the data labels, go back to Format Data Labels, and for example, I can take off the Y value. So you can put them all on, take them all off. In this bar graph, we have to click on one of the bars, then right-click and Add Data Labels. And again, it puts up the value from the observations 22, 34, 5, and 2. And to format those, you have to select it, right-click, and Format Data Labels. And we have the same choices as before. One thing that shows up in the bar graph is label position. We can put it in the center, the inside end, the outside, whatever kind of place you want to put it. In the box plot, which is the box and whiskers plot for the ounces in weight, right-click inside and add data labels again. Once you've selected one, right-click, and you can format the data labels, and this is all the options that you have. They differ slightly by the type of graph, but basically they're all the same. And in all of them, you must add data labels before you can format data labels.